Is there something you could say about the physical proximity and the chance collisions? Like
Oh,
we live in this time of the
Mm.
pandemic where everyone is maybe trying to see the silver lining and accepting the remote nature of things. Is there one of the things that people like faculty that I talk to miss is the procrastination,
mm-hmm.
like the chance to like everything is about meetings that are supposed to be. Like, there's not a chance to just talk about comic book or whatever. Like go into discussion that's totally pointless.
So it's funny you say this because that's how we met. Met. It was exactly that. So I'll let Michael say that, but I'll just add one thing, which is just that, research is a social process.
Yeah.
And it helps to have random social interactions, even if they don't feel social at the time. That's how you get things done. Having one of the great things about the AI lab when I was there, I don't quite know what it looks like now once they moved buildings, but we had entire walls that were whiteboards, and people would just get up there and they would just write, and people would walk up and you'd have arguments and you'd explain things to one another, and you got so much out of the freedom to do that. You had to be okay with people challenging every frickin' word you said, which I would sometimes find deeply irritating, but most of the time it was quite useful. But the sort of pointlessness and the interaction was in some sense the point, at least for me.
Yeah, I mean, I think offline yesterday I mentioned Josh Tannenbaum, and he's very much he's man, he's such an inspiration in the child like way that he
Mm.
pulls you in on any topic. It doesn't even have to be about machine learning, it could, or the brain. He'll just pull you into a closest writable surface, which is still you can find whiteboards at MIT everywhere,
Mm-hmm.
and just like basically cancel all meetings and talk for a couple hours about some aimless thing, and it feels like the whole world, the time space continuum, kind of warps, and that becomes the most important thing. And then
It's so true.
it's definitely something worth missing in this world where everything's remote. There's some magic to the physical presence.
Whenever I wonder myself whether MIT really is as great as I remember it, I just go talk to Josh.
Yeah, that's funny. Is there's a few people in this world that carry the best of what particular institutions stand for, right?
Mm.
And there's
It's Josh. I mean, I don't. My guess is he's unaware of this.
that's the point.
Yeah.
The masters are not aware of their mastery.